that brand that makes food. Oh my god, sounds like I know what I'm talking about. Then I'm gonna... Why? What's wrong with me? It's fine. Wow. Bismillah, bismillah. What? Hey guys, look at me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to this channel. I hope you are having an amazing day, just like you. So today we're doing a cooking video. Like I was looking for fall video ideas, and what screams fall? Cinnamon rolls. I had like my cousin and one of my TikTok friends try them, and I asked for the recipe from both of them, and they both sent me the same recipe, which is Tasty, that brand that makes food, and posted on YouTube and all, like y'all know that, and they have an app and all. So we're gonna make cinnamon rolls today. My cousin also told me that it takes 3 hours. We're here for the long run. I've never had cinnamon rolls, by the way. I've never had them. I only had this thing, which looks like cinnamon rolls, but it definitely does not have cinnamon in it. Also, I'm gonna link the recipe down below if you guys wanna try it. There's a full video I'm gonna follow. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first thing that we're gonna start with is blooming the yeast. Oh my god, sounds like I know what I'm talking about. And I'm doing like half of the ingredients because I don't know if I'm gonna like them, and I don't wanna like make too much in it, you know? They put 2 cups of milk. I'm gonna put 1 cup of milk. Where is it? What is it called? Sugar that is like a powder, butter, and then the yeast. Oh my god, is that a fly? No, it's not. What? We're supposed to like stir these and then add the yeast, like the milk and the sugar, and what? The butter. We'll add the yeast. Where's the yeast? Okay. It smells good. I love the smell of yeast. You're supposed to leave this for 10 minutes. We'll get back in 10 minutes. Look at how good this looks. Now we're supposed to add 4 cups of flour. Am I gonna ruin my outfit? Probably. Am I gonna wear something that I'm supposed to wear, like blouse or something to cover my outfit so that it doesn't get ruined? No, because I like my outfit. And that should be a reason why I wouldn't ruin it. I do this because I'm so smart. Bismillah, bismillah. Keep my distance. This proves how smart I am. I told you that I'm gonna do everything in half, right? She said 4 cups, and I just said, like, if you rewind, I said I'm gonna do 4 cups.
Now we're supposed to add 4 cups of flour.
And I'm supposed to do 2 because I'm doing everything in half. This doesn't look enough. So now you cover this with cling wrap. This is all we got, and we're supposed to let this sit for 1 hour. I'm gonna go take a nap and then come back. So it has almost been an hour, and it's not ready yet, but it's almost ready. I'm gonna spread the butter on this like this. While this is doing its thing, while the dough is rising, I'm gonna make the filling that goes inside the cinnamon buns. So you need brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter. I could barely find the brown sugar, and don't tell me this is the wrong brown sugar, because no love, it's not the day for that. Cinnamon is, as far as I know, cinnamon goes only on this stuff. So if this is actually tastes good, I don't know, I don't really like the smell of it. So the filling is ready, and so is the dough. It's almost like double the size. I struggle with the easiest. Now we're supposed to add another cup of flour and some salt. Guys, I'm so proud. It so far looks so good. Like it looks just like the one in the recipe. Wait, I think I forgot to add an ingredient. Yup, I forgot to add baking powder, and it's literally in front of my face. Look at the flour in my scarf. Now, you're supposed to keep... What is the verb? Like keep doing this dough for like 10 minutes till it becomes the texture that I want it to become. So, we're gonna do that. It's gonna take a lot of time. I'm pretty sure you can't see anything, so let me just fix this. There you go. This is better. This is like you have a clear shot. what's going on. Hey guys, look at me. But the dough is ready. We're gonna stretch it out and do like square with the dough, and then we're gonna put the filling on it and then roll it. So I'm gonna skip all of that and get to the rolling, aka the satisfying part. And I'm gonna clean up. Guys, it's time to roll. I don't know where to start. I feel like, okay, I'm just gonna go for it, honestly. Bismillah. They used a dental floss to cut this, but I'm gonna use a normal string. Okay, this should be satisfying. Wow. Ooh, look at this. We're gonna make a bigger one. Wait. So this is how they are looking. It didn't fill the whole thing, but it's okay. And now I'm gonna put them in the oven for like 20-30 minutes. 350 degrees or something, I don't know. Check the recipe. Why are you expecting me to tell you? Oh, I also have to do like the icing. So long. I just saw in the recipe. You don't cook them. You let them proof for 30 to 45 minutes. You don't cook them. You let them proof, and then you put them in the oven. I should sell these. Like I put so much work into them. So I'm heating up the oven, and look. They look really good. Now I'm gonna make the icing or the frosting or whatever. You need cream cheese, and I thought it's literally regular, normal white cheese, as we call it here. Butter, vanilla, and sugar powder or powdered sugar. This is taking too long. This feels wrong. Like I swear to God, dude. So this is the icing. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the icing situation that we have. It's supposed to be white. The reason why it's brown is because I put too much vanilla extract, and the color of that vanilla is brown. The reason why it has like these things is because the cream cheese was in the fridge, and it's supposed to be like the same temperature as the melted butter. But I don't care about both of those things, so that's why I look on it. Also guys, this smell, oh my god, it smells so freaking good. It like doubled the size, oh my god. So good, oh my god, it's so freaking good. So, I'm gonna wait for them. They're about to cook. Then I'm gonna, why, what's wrong with me? I'm gonna wait for them to cook, and then I'm gonna put the icing on them and come back with a final reveal and the taste test. Yeah. And look at how good this looks. So I'm gonna start putting in the icing. I feel like the fact that it's not white is just throwing me off right now. It's time for the taste test. I've never had them before, so I don't know what to say. Maybe I don't like them. Maybe they're not good, or maybe I don't like them because I've never had them, so I don't know if I don't like them or mine are just not good. Direct voor de vegetariërs. Direct. Just gonna take a bite. They're very good. There's a lot of cinnamon flavor, but they're so good. Oh my god. So that was the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to this point, I love you so much. I had fun making them, but there's a lot of dishes to do. If you try them because you got inspired of my video or something, send it to me. Please DM me the picture and stuff. It would make me so happy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, comment down below, do those things. And I will see you guys in my next video.